All right, hello everybody. So first things first, I will not be here this Sunday, neither will Alex. It's our 5-year this coming weekend, and so we will be out of town celebrating. So first things first, wanted to make sure everybody knew that. From there, though, for this Sunday, Sean's going to be kind of the pinpoint person on everything, so he'll be there to lead, facilitate practice, and really lead and facilitate service as well. So just know that. But we will start out with our usual countdown, and then from there we'll jump right into our welcome time, which Jimmy will have, and then we'll get into Jesus Paid It All. So not changing anything on this song. We're just playing it straight up like the track. So I don't know what happened. Here they are. So starting off with Jesus Paid It All. Verse 1 will be Jimmy, and then chorus 1 will come in with him. Staying into verse 2, second chorus. We won't jump out until verse 3. That will just be Jimmy, and then there'll be the chorus. That's kind of like that chorus 2 is kind of like a down chorus. That'll still just be Jimmy as well. So verse 3, chorus 2, and then coming in on the bridge and then being in until the end of the song. Okay. From there, Sean will take our scripture reading, and then we'll get into Cornerstone, which Dana will lead us in. Dana, the only thing that we're changing, but really it's more an addition, is the typical part of we tag when he shall come with trumpet sound, that verse 3 there. And then just I always make sure to point out that we do the repeat of my anchor holds within the veil. Da da da, my anchor holds within the veil. So just know that. If you want to go up the octave, you can. If you want to keep it in the same place, totally fine too. Sing it to where you feel best and don't feel like you have to go up the octave, that you have to build it up. If you feel best keeping it down, do that. If you feel best going up, that's fine too for that time. But Cornerstone. Verses will all be Dana until we get to the first chorus. So when we get on that first chorus, we'll jump in there with Dana. And then really we're in until verse 3, which is that last tagline. It kind of feels like verse 4, but it's because verse 1 repeats. But once we come in on the first chorus with Dana, we're in until when he shall come with trumpet sound. That'll just be Dana. And then, Dan, I'm pretty sure you've led Cornerstone before, but just so you know, behind you, we'll do like a little swell behind you band-wise. Well, I guess I'll just say we, but faultless stand before the throne. We do that big hit at the end. Yeah, and then from there, probably a crossfade into Yet Not I. Won't be too quick because we'll be going from D to C. It'll make an okay transition, but yeah, Cornerstone, really, we're not changing anything. Again, it's just what we're adding, and then just remembering the fact that we're tagging my anchor holds within the veil. And then from there, we will get into Yet Not I, but through Christ in me. On this song, Lindsay, we're not changing anything. We're not like adding anything. We're just playing it straightforward. So verse 1 will be Lindsay. We all come in together on that first chorus. To this I hold, my hope is only Jesus. And then staying in until verse 4, that will just be Lindsay. With every breath I long to follow Jesus, for he said that he will bring me home. And then on and day by day, there we'll come in with Lindsay. And then be in until the taglines of the Yet Not I, but through Christ in me. And kind of like as you sing into that minor, that ending portion will just be Lindsay. And then Lindsay at the end, if you don't mind just praying over the rest of our service, praying over Chris, that would be great. And then from there, the bumper video will play and we'll jump into the message. So message time will happen, and then from there, look for Sean to come back up on stage. He will be the first one to come up, and then we'll go into Christ Be Magnified, doing this song in the key of B. I don't think we've ever done it in B before, so it's a whole step up from the original. But Miranda will lead us in this song. Verse 1 will be Miranda, verse 2 will be Miranda, and then we'll come in on the first chorus with her. Staying into verse 3, second chorus. First bridge will be Miranda. Then halfway through on, because death is just the doorway, come in with her, and then be in until the end of the song. Okay? And then minus that, we'll just do 2 choruses of Christ Be Magnified, and then be finished up. If you want to keep going, Miranda, on Sunday, I'll let you make that decision and that call then, but we'll plan to do that for now. Okay? So that's it for vocals. Again, I will not be here Sunday, so just know that. Band, this is where you will start the video. If you didn't see the beginning, first and foremost, I won't be here on Sunday. Sean will be the one to really help facilitate practice times. when it comes to questions on songs, transitions, things that need to be changed, whatever. He'll help facilitate that. And then same thing during the service. He'll be the one to do like scripture readings. He'll be the one that people look to for like to come up on stage, all that stuff. So that's the first thing. Yeah. So when we start service, pretty straightforward. Countdown, welcome time, right into Jesus Paid It All. Not changing anything on Jesus Paid It All. Playing it straightforward. Playing it in B. Trying to think anything to note on that. I don't think so. Out of that, we'll get into our scripturing time, which Sean will have. So during this time, Stephanie, that's where on those kind of knobs where I was showing you, you can fade in on the master or on the pad itself, whatever you would prefer, just getting us into D, okay? If you want to play that part, the dun 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 dun, like the cornerstone part behind Sean, kind of slowly, you can mix in the pad in the keys, or if you just want to play a pad by itself, whatever's going to be best for you, feel free to do that. Any questions or anything like that, Sean can show you, but you can simplify it or make it as complicated as you want to do. I'll let you make that decision, but I would like for you to play behind Sean during the scripture reading time. From there, we'll get right into Cornerstone. Only thing we're changing on this song, but really it's more an addition, which Stephanie, we talked a lot about this on Sunday, but we add that verse 3, when he shall come with trumpet sound, and then just a reminder that we do the tag of my anchor holds within the veil. And then obviously we have the like little crash out, kind of the swell in / crash out on faultless, stand before, and then when we all hit that D, we just a giant diamond D, the throne, that'll fade out, and then that'll crossfade us into Yet Not I. Won't be too quick, but it'll be an automated fade. If it's too fast, you guys are more than able to change that. So, but not changing anything on Yet Not I. Christ in Me, just playing that completely straightforward. Nothing really to note there. Just watch dynamics, listen to the song, and you'll be just fine. Lindsay will pray at the end of that, and then when we come back up, Sean will be the one who, when you see him come up on stage, everybody follow suit, and then go to Christ Be Magnified, playing the song in B. This is actually a whole step up from the original. I don't think we've ever done it in B before, but just know that Christ Be Magnified is in B, and we are doing it like the track, which means that chorus 1B is in there intentionally, and we are doing it. It's that very last chorus. Other than that, every other chorus in the whole song is chorus 1A. The repeat of the chorus at the very end is that chorus 1B progression. If you're really listening to the track, you can hear it pretty prominently. But yeah, I'm trying to think if there's anything else I can think of. Yeah, work as a team, be on time, have a great Sunday, and I will see you guys sometime next week.